Hello friends, I welcome all of you to my this video tutorial. Today we will be learning how we can make our reports searchable. In my screen, search something like for example east, and when I press enter, my graph auto populate. If I want to search something else like south, when I enter again, I can see something on the screen. If there is nothing searched in the search bar, I won't see anything. Like for example, when I click on the clay selection, I don't see anything in the graph. It's blank. So let's dig in to learn this trick. So here at this moment I have two graphs. These are two area charts, and at the top I am using a custom visual named Smart Filter by OKViz. In both the graphs I am using a simple measure. Like at the top we have a simple measure wherein we are using if condition, and in the if condition I'm asking a simple question: is filtered? I mean, if any item is selected in my search box, it's going to give me a true. When something is true, I need the sales. If there is nothing in the search box, I want a blank. So as you can see at this moment, we have nothing searched in the search bar. So that's why I'm getting nothing in the area chart. Similarly, in my next measure, that is the total profit, I'm using the similar DAX formula, that is if is filtered, and again I'm asking again that simple question: if anything is searched in my search box, it is going to return me the sum of the profit else blank. So let's check it again. If I type west, hit enter, I see the result. If I want to see the result for some other region as well along with the west, I have the option available. When I press enter, I see the figures getting changed. So if by mistake I type some figures which is not available in the database, like any region which is not available in the region column, the searchable visual will not let me see any numbers because that figure is not available. Let's say I type north. When I press enter, I do not see anything. With this, we have achieved the result. I hope you like the video. If you want more such content, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also join my LinkedIn group. You can find the link in the description. Have a nice day.